Why are foreclosures still going up, even though we're being told that the economy is starting to rebuild itself? We're being told the market's turning around. People are getting jobs again. People are making more money. But it's being reported by the news agencies that this year is going to be the biggest year for foreclosures and home sales ever. Why is that? Basically, because the banks are just behind on their work. The banks are just catching up right now. We've got banks that are setting up call centers for foreclosures and sales. Call centers. What does that mean? That means that they're probably hiring a call center somewhere in India, Asia, or the Caribbean just to have people contact you, trying to collect money from you, figuring out why you're not paying your mortgage. If they can go ahead and file a foreclosure action against you. If they should go ahead and set up a sheriff's sale date. So what do? How do you react to this news? You have to protect yourself. How do you protect yourself? Look ahead. See what's going to happen in the next 3 months. Let's say you borrow from a family member this month to pay for your mortgage. Let's say you borrow from a family member next month to pay for your mortgage. What's going to happen in month 3? How about month 4? So on and so forth. If you don't have an endless supply of family to borrow money from, you need to figure out how you're going to stay in your home and keep your family in the home. One of the ways is try to restructure the terms of the mortgage with the bank. Hire help. Hire an attorney. Get legal assistance. See if there are ways that you can lower your payments. Now, if that doesn't help, look towards another option. Look towards a sale of the home, a short sale. Try to do a deed in lieu of foreclosure. Give the home away so you don't have to hurt yourself and your family going through the entire process of a foreclosure and a sheriff's sale. What's another option? How about a bankruptcy? Figure out with your attorney if a bankruptcy is right for you. If it is, your attorney will take you through the process. If it's not, he'll offer you the other options. But that's basically why this year is going to be so big when it comes to sales and foreclosures. People that have been laid off are just beginning to be late on their mortgage. People that have a reduction in income are only now falling behind. Last year, even though people began to find new jobs, they were already behind on their mortgage. Banks don't want to take a payment that's 4 or 5 months behind. Why? Because if they do, they're not going to be able to file a foreclosure against you. If you're 4 to 5 months behind, the bank will try to sell your home. Why? Because they don't want to deal with the fact that they have to bring you up to date. Unless you can come up with 4 or 5 months worth of payments, the bank isn't going to take your money. Look ahead. See what you can do. If you can figure something out with the bank or with an attorney as to how you're not going to fall behind in the next couple of months, that is better than the wait-and-see option. The wait-and-see option is never a good option when you're trying to keep your family in the home. Don't become part of the statistic.